Hi, I'm Gabrielle Pasick, the Philosophy and Religious Studies librarian at the University of Alabama Libraries. Today, I'll show you how to access and use Philosopher's Index, a key resource for philosophy research. To access Philosopher's Index, go to lib.ua.edu and click Databases on the right side of the screen. Click on the Subjects drop-down and select Philosophy and Religious Studies. Philosopher's Index includes journal articles, books, and dissertations with abstracts written by philosophers, and it covers scholarly research in multiple languages, making it a reliable source for both beginning and advanced projects. Use the advanced search to enter your keywords and connectors such as and, or, and not. Place exact phrases in quotation marks. For example, if you're exploring Plato's theory of forms, search for Plato, theory of forms, and metaphysics. To the right of the search bar, you can also choose specific fields. Use SU for subjects like metaphysics or ethics, and PE for people as subjects such as Plato or Aristotle. Select your preferred fields and click Search. At the top left of the results page, select all filters to narrow by publication or date. To apply filters, click Apply at the bottom right. Click on the item of interest to view the bibliographic record. Use the top right buttons to save or cite. Make sure your citations follow the correct style rules. If you have questions or need help with your research, reach out through ask.lib.ua.edu or call 205-348-6047. Thanks for watching and happy researching!